siblings, a very interesting recipe, the recipe of dahi vada, and we are going to prepare dahi vada in the North Indian style today. There are different ways to prepare it. It's prepared in different ways in different states. So today we are doing it in the North Indian style. So to prepare the recipe we need black gram, which is the urad ka dal, and urad dal we have soaked overnight, approximately 250 grams, and in the morning we have strained the water of the dal completely. We also need tamarind, which we have soaked for 2 hours. We have taken this tamarind with seed here. We need sugar or jaggery. We need the roasted cumin powder, the red chili powder, some rock salt and table salt. First of all, we are going to grind the urad ka dal. We have added 1 cup of water here and run it through a mixer to make a fine paste. Now we see the paste is a bit sticky and it's quite thick, so we will be adding half a cup of more water and we'll again run it through a mixer to make it into a more fine paste. So this is the consistency of the paste which we require. We do not want a very runny mixer here. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and we have to give it very nice stir, and we'll stir it very nicely in a circular motion for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You can take the help of your hand or a spatula to give it a stir. And after giving it a nice stir for 2 to 3 minutes, we are doing this basically so that the vadas become very soft and fluffy. And now we are going to prepare the tamarind chutney. We have taken out the tamarind pulp here, the complete pulp, and we have discarded the seed. And now we are going to add the pulp to an wok. And once it comes to a slight boil, we have to add the jaggery or sugar here. We are doing the cooking with sugar here because I do not have jaggery at this point. So 150 grams of tamarind soaked in water and 150 grams of sugar goes inside this. In case you want to add jaggery, you can do that. I did not have jaggery at this point, so I am adding sugar here. In case you want it less sweet, you can add a bit of less sugar, and we are adding 2 teaspoons of salt here. So we'll wait for everything to come to a nice boil, so giving it a nice stir. The cooking process of the chutney is very simple. We just have to cook it in the medium flame for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 to 15 minutes, we'll see the chutney will become concentrated and thick. And we do not have to make it very concentrated because once it cools down, it's going to become much more thicker. So this is the kind of consistency we want. And now at this point, we'll be adding the spices. We have added 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder to make it slightly tangy, sweet and spicy. So giving it a final stir and approximately cooking it for 2 more minutes. And now we'll flame it off and allow the chutney to cool down while we fry the vadas. Now we'll be frying the vadas, and now we have added 300 ml of oil in a wok and heated it on a medium flame. And now we will be frying the vadas. I have taken the help of a spoon to add the batter to the oil for frying the vadas. In case you want to use your hand, you can do that. So this is the way we have to add the paste which we have formed and rested it for 15 minutes to form the vadas. We do not have to much worry about the shape of the vadas here, because once they are put into the oil and they become fluffy, they are going to automatically take the kind of roundish shape. So this is the way we will be frying the vadas. We'll just turn them, flip them on all the sides so that they get uniformly fried on all the sides. And we have to take care of one small thing here. The flame of the gas has to be continuously on a medium flame because the vadas has to cook very nicely from inside. Otherwise they are going to be raw from inside and they are going to be overcooked from outside. So the taste is not going to be proper whilst we form the dahi vada. So look at this, is kind of slightly brownish in color, creamish brownish. And now after 5 to 6 minutes, we will put it on a slightly higher flame so that from outside also they become quite crunchy, crispy, as well as slightly dark brown in color. So almost 7 minutes are over, our frying is almost complete, and now we are going to take the first lot out from the oil. We have made the 250 grams of dal paste. So with that we can approximately prepare 20 to 22 vadas. It depends how big or small you're preparing it, but approximately this is the kind of quantity which we prepared from 250 grams of urad ka dal paste. So the vadas look quite brownish in color, and at this point we'll be taking out the vadas and collect it in a separate bowl. And now we'll be adding the second lot of vadas in the oil, and we will also fry them. See, the consistency of our paste is perfectly alright, and that's the reason the vadas have become so soft and so floppy. And we are flipping them on all sides, and it is done. The second lot is all done. And now at this point we have to dip them in a slightly lukewarm water. So we have taken water in a different bowl, and we will be adding the vadas. This is a slight lukewarm water in which we have added 1 teaspoon of salt, giving it a slight stir to dissolve it. And now we will be adding the hot vadas here. So we will be soaking the vadas approximately for 2 to 3 minutes so that they completely absorb the water, and after 3 minutes we have to squeeze and take the excess water out. And we have to take care at this point, because whilst we are squeezing it, we have to squeeze it with very light hands so that the vadas are already very soft from inside. They have absorbed quite a lot of water and they have released the excess oil, so they have become very soft from inside. So we have to squeeze it with very light hands. And this is the way we have squeezed out all the vadas, and we have kept it in the serving bowl. Now we have this 1 liter of curd, which is a homemade curd. So we are beating it very fine, it has to be very smooth beating so that the curd become very creamy. It's a chilled curd, and now we will be adding the curd to the vadas. So the combination is hot vadas, you serve it with a cold or the chilled curd, and you serve it with a hot chutney, imli chutney. So this is the way we have added half of the curd here, and you can keep the half of the curd in case somebody wants extra curd while serving it. So we have added the curd here. You can serve it like this for any of your parties. And now we have added 2 to 3 spoons of the tamarind chutney, the sweet chutney. In case you like the green chutney, you can also add the coriander and the pudina chutney here. And we have sprinkled a bit of roasted cumin powder, a bit of chili powder, and we'll also sprinkle some rock salt here to enhance the taste. You can prepare this dahi vada for any of the occasions, for any of your parties or for any of your celebrations. You prepare this recipe following these small tips which we have discussed. You let me know how did you like the recipe. In case you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the latest updates of all my recipes sent to you quickly. I will see you once again with many interesting recipes from different corners of the country. Till then, stay safe, be healthy, be happy. Thank you.